and welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be covering topics which are important from GS paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin, and first of all we will be covering the previous practice question, and the question says that this country of West Africa is situated within the arc formed by the course of river Niger. 4 of its 6 neighboring countries touch the Atlantic Ocean near the Gulf of Guinea. The Niger River passes through its other 2 neighboring countries. One of its administrative regions, Sahel, was in news recently due to some violent incidents. The above given description seems to be most appropriate for which of the following countries? So this paragraph, if we will talk properly and see this paragraph properly, then many hints can be drawn out. First of all, it is a West African country. Then situated within the arc formed by the river Niger. It has 6 neighboring countries, and out of 6 neighboring countries, 4 are touching the Atlantic Ocean. So let's see this. What is the answer? That is Guinea, Mali, Benin or Burkina Faso. So we are talking about the West African countries. So this is the map of the West African countries, and this country comes under the arc which is formed by the Niger River. So let us first of all see the Niger River. So this is the location of Niger River, and it grows from West Africa and move towards the East Africa. That is from west to east direction, and this is how it moves, and it covers the countries like Mali, Niger, and there are other countries also like Benin in between. Then it also grows from Guinea. So few of the countries that it covers are Guinea, Mali, Niger. Then if we will talk about then the neighboring countries, 4 out of the 6 neighboring countries touch the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the Atlantic Ocean, and 4 out of 6 countries. So see this, which all countries are touching the Atlantic Ocean, and this is, if we will talk from here, then that is Senegal, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Togo, Benin. And the country which we are talking is also lying in the Sahel region. So this is the Sahel region, and above this, the North Africa is exactly the Sahara region. And Sahara region, the southward of the Sahara region lies the Sahel region. So the country that has been talked about in this is the country Burkina Faso. And Burkina Faso is also famous for the violence that has recently happened in the country. And the neighboring countries, there are 6 neighboring countries, and out of those neighboring countries, Benin, Togo, Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire is touching the Atlantic Ocean, while Mali is not touching and Niger is also not touching. And the river Niger is also flowing through its neighboring countries, that is Mali and Niger. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Burkina Faso. So now moving on to today's session. The reference for the first question is, according to a recently published news, during the financial year 2021-22, India has overtaken Brazil to become the world's largest sugar producing country. This brings the topic of sugar to the news. And the question says, which of the following country is not among the top 5 producers of global production of sugar? So not among the top 5 producers, that is China, Pakistan, Thailand or United States of America. So let's see this. Okay, if we will look at the map, then these are the countries which are the top 10 producers of sugar in the world, and now India has overtaken Brazil. So the top producer of sugar is, first is India, second is Brazil, third is Thailand, fourth is China, fifth is United States of America, sixth is Russia, seventh is Mexico, eighth is France, ninth is our neighboring country, that is Pakistan. So the 9th position is held by Pakistan while 10th is Australia. So the country which is not among top 10 producers of sugar is Pakistan. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Pakistan, while China, Thailand and US are among top 5. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says, recently a huge space debris was found off the west coast of Australia, which has been confirmed by ISRO as the debris of a rocket to be launched in 2021. This brings Australia to the news. Now let's see the question. Consider the location of the following water bodies. First, Gulf of Carpentria. Second, Timor Sea. Third, Coral Sea. Fourth, Bass Strait. Fifth, Tasman Sea. And sixth, Bismarck Sea. How many of the above water bodies are related to Australia? So, how many are sharing its border with Australia? Only one, only two, only three, or only four? So, let's see. Okay, this is the map of Australia, and Australia lies in the Indian Ocean. And if we will look at the map of Australia, then we will see that it is surrounded by water from all its sides, and the water bodies which it is surrounded with is on the north of it lies the Timor Sea, while the Gulf of Carpentria also is touching Australia. It is called Gulf of Carpentria because the region of Carpentria, this is the region of peninsula of Carpentria in North Australia. And if we will see Coral Sea, then Coral Sea is also associated with Australia, and this is very obvious because the Great Barrier Reef lies in Australia and there are many corals, and you can say that the highest amount of corals are found there. Then there is Tasman Sea. Tasman Sea is associated with both Australia and New Zealand, and it separates the Australia from New Zealand. Then on the south of Australia we have the Bass Strait, and Bass Strait separates the mainland of Australia from the Tasmanian island, which is also of Australia, but it lies between them. And the only water bodies which is not associated with Australia is Bismarck Sea. It is lying much north to Australia and it lies in the Papua New Guinea region. So Bismarck Sea is not associated with Australia. So what would be the correct answer? Gulf of Carpentria, yes. Coral Sea, yes. Tasman Sea, yes. Timor Sea, yes. Bass Strait, yes. Bismarck Sea, no. It was Papua New Guinea. So how many water bodies are related to Australia? Only 2, only 3, only 4 or only 5? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer is option D, that is only 5. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says, recently the central government has informed the Karnataka High Court that it will investigate the case of Havana syndrome in India, and this brings the location of Havana into the news. And the question says, consider the following pairs. On one side countries are given, while on the other side capital is given. First, Cuba, Havana. Second, Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby. Third, Venezuela, Caracas. And fourth, Fiji, Suva. And what the question is asking, which of the above pairs are correctly matched? So how many pairs are correctly matched? So let's see this. Okay, the location of all the countries which has been given in the question is, first of all, Cuba. So Cuba lies in the Caribbean island. Then Venezuela. Venezuela is a country which lies in the north of South America continent. Then the countries of Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea lies in the Pacific Ocean and lies to the north of Australia. Then there is Fiji. Fiji lies in the Pacific Ocean. Now if we look at the capitals of these countries, then first of all about Cuba. So this is the map of Cuba, and Cuba shares its border with Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean, and the capital of Cuba is Havana. So this is correct. Second, this is the location of Papua New Guinea. It shares its border with Pacific Ocean and it lies to the north of Australia, and the capital of Papua New Guinea is Port Moresby. This is also correct. Then This is the location of Venezuela, a country which lies in the South American continent, and it lies to the north of the South American continent, and the capital of Venezuela is Caracas. So this is also correct. Now last is Fiji. Fiji is a nation which comprises of many islands, and two of the biggest islands is Vanuatu and Viti Levu, while the capital of Fiji is Suva, which lies in the south of Viti Levu island. And this is also correct, that Fiji's capital is Suva. So let's get back to the question. And the question was asking how many of the pairs are correctly matched. So Cuba, Havana, correct. Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby, correct. Venezuela, Caracas, correct. Fiji, Suva, correct. So all the options are correct. So the correct answer is option D, which is all of the above. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says that recently the Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization, which is ACTO, has signed the Belém Declaration. This brings the Amazon region to the news. So the question says, consider the location of the following countries, and there are 6 countries, that is Peru, Chile, Colombia, Panama, Bolivia and Paraguay. And the question is asking how many of the above countries are spread over the catchment area of the Amazon river. The important word to focus here is the word catchment area of Amazon river. It is not asking that which all countries Amazon river passes through. It is asking about the catchment area of the Amazon river, and catchment area is the area from where it gets its water, that the area from where the Amazon river gets its water. So that is, let's see this. So first of all, about the meeting that has recently been happened, that is the Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization. It consists of 8 countries and they work for the protection of the Amazon forest. And their recent meeting has taken place in the country Brazil. So about the Amazon river passes through Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and these countries are also the countries which are associated with the ACTO organization. So now let's focus on the catchment area of the river Amazon, and Amazon river rises from the Andes mountain of the country Peru. So about the catchment area, so if we will zoom out on the map of the South American continent and especially on the catchment area of the river Amazon, then this is what we get. So the catchment area of the river, it is coming into the countries like, this is Brazil, then it is coming in Colombia also, then there is Ecuador, then there is Peru, and there is Bolivia also. It is, first is Brazil, then second is Bolivia, third is Peru, fourth is Ecuador, and then there is Colombia also. And if we will see, then it is not going to the south of Ecuador. The catchment area is restricted only till Bolivia, and it is not going to the south of Bolivia. And if we will talk about, then the northern portion is lying in countries like Colombia and little bit of Venezuela also. So north of Colombia and Venezuela it is not going, and south of Bolivia it is not going. So coming back to the question, then the catchment area is, it is spread over the catchment area of how many countries? Then Peru, yes, Peru was there. Colombia, yes. Bolivia, yes. Chile was not there, because Chile, if we will look at the map, Chile is much south to it. It does not go to Chile. It goes to Peru, it goes to Bolivia, but the catchment area does not go to Chile. Then if we will talk about Panama, then Panama also it does not go, because Panama lies to the north of Colombia and Venezuela, and it does not go to Panama. It goes only till Colombia and Venezuela. So Panama also gets eliminated. Then comes Paraguay. It does not go in Paraguay also, because if we will look at the map, then I showed you the map, it goes only till Bolivia, not north or south of Bolivia. So Paraguay is lying to the south of Bolivia, so it does not go to Paraguay also. So how many are correct? 1, 3 and 5, that is only 3. So only 1, only 2, only 3 or only 4. So the correct answer is option C, that is only 3. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says, in recent times, this body of water has been in constant discussion due to the sinking of several boats carrying migrants to Europe in the Mediterranean Sea. This brings Mediterranean Sea to the news, and the question says, see, this is a lengthy question, you need to read it completely. It is a lengthy question, it looks very difficult, but it is not that difficult. So this water body is surrounded by land almost from all sides, and its shores are spread over 3 continents. This water body is connected to the ocean through a narrow strait, while almost exactly on the other side it is connected to another ocean through a man-made canal. Its geographical location makes it one of the most important waterways in the world. A special type of climate is found in the surrounding areas of this water body, which is considered suitable for the cultivation of juicy fruits. Now, which water body is being described in this paragraph? So, first of all, you have to see that it is surrounded by land from almost all sides. First hint. Second, it covers or it is spread over 3 continents. Second hint. Then it is connected to the ocean through a narrow strait. Third hint. 4. It is almostly exactly opposite on the other side. It is connected to another ocean. This is the 4th hint. Now let's see which water body is being described. So the water body which is being described is the Mediterranean Sea. So if we will look at the Mediterranean Sea, then it is surrounded by 3 continents. That is correct. To the north of it is Europe, to the south of it is Africa, while to the east of it is Asia. So the 3 continents are Europe, Africa and Asia, and it is almost surrounded by from all sides by the land. And then if we will talk about, then through the Strait of Gibraltar, Mediterranean Sea connects with the North Atlantic Ocean. So through Strait of Gibraltar, Mediterranean Sea connects with the North Atlantic Ocean, and through the Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea connects with the Indian Ocean also. So all the hints are focusing towards or indicating towards the Mediterranean Sea, that from a narrow strait it is connecting to one ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean, then man-made canal, that is Suez Canal, connecting to another ocean, surrounded with land from almost all types. It is surrounded by 3 continents, and then the special type of climate that is being discussed is the Mediterranean climate, and Mediterranean climate is suitable for the cultivation of fruits, that is juicy fruits. So the correct answer is Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea or Sea of Marmara. So the correct answer is option B, that is Mediterranean Sea. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says, recently the joint military exercise Zaid Talwar between the navies of India and the UAE was concluded at Port Rashid in Dubai. Now this brings UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, to the news. Now the question says, consider the following statements. First, the United Arab Emirates shares its coastline with both the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Eden. Now it becomes important to know about the location of both. So Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Eden. Now looking at the map, then UAE is a country which lies in the Middle East, and this is the location of UAE, and it shares its border with Saudi Arabia and Oman. So if we will look at the location of UAE, then it shares its border with the Persian Gulf. Now this is correct, that it shares its border with the Persian Gulf, but it does not share its border with the Gulf of Eden, because Gulf of Eden is between Djibouti and Yemen. So this is the location of Gulf of Eden. So it is lying to the south of Yemen. So UAE is not sharing border with Gulf of Eden, it is sharing border with only Persian Gulf. So first statement becomes wrong. Second, the capital of UAE is located at almost the same latitude as Delhi. Same latitude. So let's see this. So if we will see the map and we will draw a latitude which passes through the capital of UAE, that is Abu Dhabi, and it lies on 24.45 degree north. So if we will look at this map and if we will draw the latitude, then the capital of India, that is New Delhi, lies much north to this latitude. So New Delhi and Abu Dhabi are not lying on the same latitude, and the Indian city which lies nearly to this latitude is Imphal. It is lying very near to this latitude, but New Delhi is not lying near to it. So this statement also becomes wrong. And the question is asking which of the above statements are correct. Which one is correct? First is wrong, second is wrong. So the correct answer is option D, that is neither 1 nor 2. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says Ecuador has recently declared a state of emergency after a candidate for the upcoming presidential elections was assassinated. This brings Ecuador to the news. So the question says, which of the following statements is correct regarding Ecuador? First, the counter-equatorial current of the Pacific Ocean originates near the coast of Ecuador. Originates near the coast of Ecuador. So if we will see, then Ecuador is a country which lies in the South American continent, and this is the location of Ecuador. While if we will talk about the counter-equatorial current, then the location and the direction of the counter-equatorial current is from west to east. That is, the counter-equatorial current moves eastward, and the location of Ecuador is that if any current will originate from the coast of Ecuador, then it will move in the westward direction, while the counter-equatorial current moves in the opposite direction, that is the eastward direction. So this statement becomes wrong. So first is wrong. Second, it is the only country in South America that shares a land border with only 2 countries. So let's see this. That yes, Ecuador is a country which shares its land border with 2 countries, and that is Colombia and Peru. So this is the location of Ecuador. It shares border with Colombia and Peru. But it is not the only country in South America which shares its border with 2 countries. The other country which shares its border with 2 countries are Uruguay. Uruguay shares its border with first Brazil and second Argentina. So Brazil and Argentina. So Ecuador is not the only country. So the second statement also becomes wrong. Third, Brazil is its largest neighboring country. Let's see this also. If we will look at the map, I'll just show you again. Then this is the location of Ecuador on the map, South American continent. Then Brazil is its largest neighbor. Then this becomes wrong because this is the location of Brazil, and Brazil is not sharing border with Ecuador, and it is not the neighbor of Ecuador. Ecuador only has 2 neighbors, that is Colombia and Peru. So Brazil is not its largest neighbor. So option C is also wrong. Fourth, the famous Chimborazo volcano is located in Ecuador. So let's see this. So the famous Chimborazo volcano is located in Ecuador. This is absolutely correct, and if we will zoom out on the map of Ecuador, this is what we get. Then the location of volcano Chimborazo lies almost entirely, you cannot say entirely in between, but little bit to the western side, and the location of volcano Chimborazo is in Ecuador. So this is correct. So option D is correct. So which of the following statements is correct? Then option D is correct. Moving on to the next question. The reference says the latest economic data that came out recently showed that the Chinese economy is in the grip of deflation due to its weak post-COVID recovery, and this brings China to the news. So the question says, arrange the following cities in the order from north to south. So if we will look at direction wise, then this is north, this is south, and we have to look upside down from north to south, and the cities are Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong and Taipei. Taipei is the capital of Taiwan. So let's see this. If we will look at the map, then these are exactly, we will be able to identify the location from north to south. That is, first comes the Beijing, that is the capital of China. Then second comes Shanghai, one of the economic hubs of China. Then there is Taipei, which is the capital of Taiwan. And then there is Hong Kong. So if we will look at from north to south, that is from upside down direction, then there is Beijing, Shanghai, Taipei, Hong Kong. So first was Beijing, second was Shanghai, third was Taipei and fourth was Hong Kong. So select the correct code. So the correct order is 1, 2, 4, 3. So is there any time 1, 2, 4, 3? Yes. So the correct answer is 1, 2, 4, 3. That is option B. Now moving on to the next question. The reference says at least 24 people were killed recently in a suspected airstrike amid ongoing conflicts in Ethiopia's Amhara region. So this brings Ethiopia to the news, and the question says, consider the following statements. First, Lake Tana is located in the Amhara province of Ethiopia. Lake Tana. So if we will look at the map of Ethiopia, Ethiopia is an African country which lies majorly in the Horn of Africa region. So if we will zoom out on the map of Ethiopia, this is what we get. And Lake Tana is one of the most famous lakes of Ethiopia, and it is located in the north of Ethiopia. And the popular Blue Nile River also gets originated from Lake Tana. So the Blue Nile River also gets originated from Lake Tana, and after origination it moves in the southward direction. So Lake Tana is located in the Amhara province of Ethiopia. This is correct. The Blue Nile River originates from Lake Tana. This is also correct. The Blue Nile and the White Nile join Khartoum, the capital of Sudan. So let's see this. So first of all, the Lake Tana lies in the Amhara region of Ethiopia. This is true. Blue Nile River originates from Lake Tana. This is also true. And the Blue Nile and the White Nile River, they meet up in the capital of Sudan, which is Khartoum. Then this is correct, because first of all, from the Lake Tana gets originated is the Blue River, and then the White Nile River also comes, and the White Nile River gets originated from Lake Victoria, Tanzania, and they meet up in the capital of Sudan, that is Khartoum. So the region where the Blue Nile and the White Nile River is meeting up or joining is the Khartoum. So third statement is also correct. Which of the statement given above is or are incorrect? First is correct, second is correct, third is correct. Then none is incorrect. So the correct answer is option D, that is none of the above. Now moving on to the next question. And this is the practice question, and you people need to answer this question in the comment section. So try to solve it. And the question says, consider the following statements. First, the northern lowlands of Asia lie between the Ural mountains and the Lena river. Second, the Ob and the Yenisei rivers flowing through this plain drain into the Arctic Ocean. So these are the two statements. The northern lowlands of Asia lie between the Ural mountains and the Lena river. Second, the Ob and Yenisei rivers flowing through this plain, it drain into the Arctic Ocean. So try to solve this and give me the answer in the comment section. You have to talk about the correct statements. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So try to solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.